My dear viewers, my greetings and also my wishes to all of you watching my channel, that is Jacinda Spoken English channel, with shorts and videos helping all of us for our good and spontaneous day-to-day dialogue in different situations and in different walks of life with different people, with different culture and in different areas, maybe in and around India. We can speak English, and these videos will help you to make your spoken English better and better. All of us can work together with these videos to make our spoken English an excellent one. Regarding the ordinary terms used for future tense, or simple future tense is always used with will. I will do it, we say. When somebody somebody asks you, someone asks you to help that person financially for any financial assistance. Sometimes we may say, I will help you, surely, certainly, but not now. I can do it only next month, not now. Now it is the season of festivals. So I have got lot of expenses. I have got to spend for many matters at home, in my work area, and also with my friends. So we may say, I cannot do it now. Can is expressing ability. I can do it later on only, maybe after a month, but not now. I cannot do it now. I can do it after a month, maybe. So please wait for a month. If you want this immediately, you have to go to ask someone else and not me. I cannot do it now. Please try to ask it for to someone else. If anybody else is ready to help you, get the help and use it for your purpose. But if you want me to give you financial assistance, you have to wait for a month. Please wait for a month and come to me after a month. I can help you only after a month, but not now. I can help you only after a month. I can do it. So can is expressing ability. I can draw the pictures. Small children may say, my teacher asked me to draw the picture of a tree. So when the parents ask, can you do it? The child may say, I can do it. Mom, I can do it. That means ability. I can do it. So when are you going to draw? If the father asks, now I'm going to draw. I will draw now. That is expressing the future action and also surety. I will do it. I can draw it, so I will do it. And another thing is, our teacher has asked us to do, so I must do. Here it is an obligation. When I say I must do it, I must give her money. I must help her. I must finish this work. I must sign in all these reports because there will be an auditing next month. I must do it. It's a must. It's an obligation. It's a bounden duty, we say. Sometimes I have got a bounden duty to help my parents in their old age. I must do it. It's a bounden duty. I must do it. I can do it. Say. I am able to do sometimes, we say. I can do. I must do. That is an obligation. Can do is my ability to do. I can do. And I will do means I am going to do. I will do it. Maybe now or maybe tomorrow morning. I will do it tomorrow morning. I will help her tomorrow morning. I will meet my friend tomorrow. I will go to Mumbai tomorrow. I may be going. That's doubtful. I may be going. I will go. Maybe there's a program there. I have to attend. I must attend. So I say I will go. because I must attend my niece's wedding. So there is an obligation. We say I must go. So I will go. Another thing is I can manage my work here and I'm able to go. I will be able to go. I can go. So I will go. And another thing is I must go. It's an obligation. So dear viewers, pay little attention to the place, to the situations, where to use it, how to use it, in what situation to use it, to which people to use it. So very particularly these three words, I will do it. So I am going to do. That's what is I will do. I must do is there's an obligation to. I'm bound to do so. I must do. I must put on the uniform to the school. I must complete this work by the end of this week. That is must. I will finish this work by tomorrow. Then I can do it. Means I have got the ability, capacity to do. I can finish. I can do this work. I can make this game. I can serve to my friends. I can help my friends who is really in need. So I must do it. I must help and I will do. Please pay attention to these three words and use it properly in the proper situation which will enrich our day-to-day life. Bye.